everyone, in this video we are going to see what are the 5 best free AI tools that helps you to generate your dream images for your designs. Let's get into the video. Number 1 is designer.microsoft.com. You can go to this website and search for the design that you'd like to create. I'm going to give avatar eating lunch. So you can give, I have given avatar eating lunch, generate. So it will suggest the words as well. Generating our designs here. You can see it's loading. So it has given you the images who is like we're all eating lunch. This is the images you can give. You can use these images that has been created for your designs. And if you want to customize it, you are ready to do that. You can edit them. You can change the sizes. You can change the templates. So it's easy. And the next one is remove.bg. Yes, it will remove your background. Of course, remove the images background. You can upload an image. We're going to the images, upload an image. It will give you the removed background one. So you can either edit it, you can download it. If you want to download HD, you can also do that. If you want to edit it, you can see what you want to replace with. So this is how you can do it. This is crazy, no? You can download it from here and then. So that's how you can edit your photos too as a designer. And this is a color. In case if you want to replace it with any of the gradients, you can also do that. So that is one. If you want to make it blur, that's. And the third one is Microsoft Bing Image Creator. To use this AI generator, you have to download the Edge. It can be either for Windows 10, 11 is available, and you can also download it for Mac OS. And the next one is Colorize Pictures. So here you just have to upload the image that you have, and you can edit the images. It will colorize your images based on your, and the last and best one is Adobe Firefly. I like this most. You can write what you want to generate. So let's say they have typed painting of mountain trees and the layered paper galaxy. If they type something like this, then automatically it will generate you some designs based on it. And then you can generate this text to image. These are my favorite website where you can find different types of AI generated images. It's very cool, and you can download and use it for your designs. This will be very different if you are using it for instead of avatars, if you can use such type of animations. I hope this video is helpful. You can use it anywhere in your design. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.